180 kilometer stretch from Kochi to Kozhikode is a cyclist delight. The scene NH66 route hues the coastline, offering stunning occasion views, beaches, and estuaries. The road winds through quaint fishing villages, coconut groves, and rolling hills. Traffic is moderate with occasional busy stretches. Cyclists can enjoy the sea breeze, local cuisine, and warm hospitality. Be prepared for occasional rain shower and road undulations, but the scenery makes it a worthwhile ride.
I'm about to say goodbye to Guruvayur. Good morning, all of you here in Kerala. And today's my destination is Calicut, and they call it Kozhikode, the new name. This is the town, and this is the tea stall. I took tea in the morning. That's lovely, refreshing tea. Okay, now City Livelihood Center is one of the community place for our under the temple, Krishna temple, and here is the place I spend my time. I had the night shelter over here, and Rajesh ji is actually basically from Mumbai, and he is one of the tourists here, having good time. Okay, Rajesh ji, goodbye, children. Thank you. Prayer going on inside. I can hear the sound, and I'm still in Guruvayur. And caught the road for Calicut and riding the cycle, showing you the village. Lovely weather, lovely environment. It's a school campus, it says. Good morning, brother. Thank you. I'm going Calicut. Calicut. Okay. Right now, Rasta? Good. Okay, Global Tiles is a business establishment, or you can say shop or outlet. Good morning, bache. See the houses in the villa format, so lovely. The weather is lovely today, and it's as if it's a very divine day. Oh my God, I can't believe. See coconut tree behind apartment. This is under construction, but yet very, very lovely house. White color. And this way we proceed. I only want to show my face. Yeah, it's me. It's me cycling. You can see. Yes. Oh my God, it's a shop, but lovely design, you see. Guruvayur 1.5. I miss the signboard, whether I need to confirm whether I'm going correct way or not, though people shouted that it's, yeah, I don't see, yes, Mamuyur Junction, that means I'm on the right track. See you soon. You'll ask. This is football team.
This is football team, one of the Kerala football team.
Kerala state. Oh, fantastic! It's my bright day, lucky day today to see your Kerala football team here.
Yeah.
And most of them are manager, coaches, right?
Yes, manager, coaches and training.
And trainers,
Yes,
as
yes.
well as the players who.
Yes,
Young boy is there.
This is a Alpura team. And the team is Alapilla. Lucky Salva goal super back.
What does it mean? Okay.
You are ground to come.
Yeah. I'll have to have one my selfie also. No,
Okay,
Baba?
okay,
Yeah.
of course,
Yeah,
of course.
please come join me.
Of course. Yeah. No, the
This works for a company called RCM, which has got variety of ethnical product, which has significant benefit of direct marketing. They don't go through mediocre; they go make it direct to the consumers. For example, the product he was explaining me, the soaps and toothpaste, which is 40% less than the market rate, and it doesn't have any harmful chemical inside. And similarly, he also has got some kind of juice and spices, all are ethnically produced. So we'll just show you some kind of fabric and biscuits. And here they have churn, it's like a digestive process. And also they do have these spice family. Tomato ketchup, na? Yes. ऑर्गेनिक फार्म का क्या प्रोडक्ट है वो पैकेट में?
गार्डन बर्ड है
ये फर्टिलाइजर है, फर्टिलाइजर. ओके. And one incensive sticks which is made of neem leaf, which is useful for repellent, na, mosquito repellent, and also good for breathing, which is oxidization process helps out. Okay, they have many more product here, and they do have food supplement. These are food supplement, na? Okay, fantastic. Okay, ये बताना, ये website बताना. Okay. For more details, you can contact. This number is here, 9072 4444 4 times 4 34. And where is website? Website लिखा नहीं है. Okay. Or corporate office. Okay, website is rcmbusiness.com. rcmbusiness.com. You get more product profile. And thank you, Abdulaziz ji, for your kind inspiration for the product. I will circulate this. Alright, thank you. This works for typical Kerala riverside surrounded by coconuts. Lovely place, and there will be of course breezes. And sometimes there will be fishing in most of the places, but here they don't have. And they do have, some boats, but it's far away. Let me close up. You can see one boat at the left side, and coconut groups. See, this is Kerala, and you see beautiful typical Kerala colonial pattern houses with the red roof, and this is surrounded by jungle both the side, and you don't see many coconut groups. Yes, at the left side there are coconut groups, these are ones. Okay, now I'll show you the road. Yes, and it's not necessary to show the other side also, similar, but there are more number of houses and more number of coconut groups there. I'll just close up one aspect. Yes, these ones. Here goes my cycle, and here goes me. Yes, on the beach. See you soon. This part of Kerala has got Marxist influence. You can see the CPIM marks and their flags. I'll show you. It's a kind of sickle with a hammer. And this is the town. Okay, what is and how Marxist influence still work in some part of the world, I'll explain whenever there is an opportunity. Okay, right, this is Kerala. I'm heading to Kozhikode, that's Calicut. Kozhikode is 46 kilometers, this signboard says, but my GPS is 56 kilometers, 10 kilometer difference. Now God knows how to resolve this issue and whether it is at least necessary to resolve the issue or no? This is a place called Chelari. A township starts. Behind I left very sophisticated town, and I didn't feel to get click of them. The reason behind, there were many such earlier. Okay, 46 kilometers, let's accept it and continue. Kerala State Way leading to Kozhikode, Calicut I mean. And I was attracted to hello lovely huts. I can't say hut, it's a cottage. See the coconut, no sorry, papaya, fruited. There are fruits. Okay, and then I was attracted the bunch of banana. It's a different variety. This may happen in, and also the coconut in the yard, somebody's house yard. A few, and they are not mature enough. Okay, bunch of banana hung on the banana palm here in, see the car, bus going on. Another bunch of banana hung on the, so let me feel it, touch it, and get to know it's me. Okay, yeah, there are other things. Yeah, there are flowers. Okay, once more, let me feel it, touch it, and see with the banana bunch on the road in Kerala. Oh, this is a temple, very gorgeous. Design as in Egyptian architecture seen in pyramid. So I'll get a picture of it from inside. This lovely one. Concentrated town, they call it Papangadi. Buses are moving there to Kozhikode, the destination that I am going. They will reach probably in 45 minutes, and well, I will take about, girls are looking at me, I'll take about 3 hours more. Now my watch says it's something like 3 o'clock, and I'll reach there by 7 o'clock. This boy is carrying tea to sail. Okay, you can see me riding a cycle on the way. Yeah. I'm sweating anyway. Weather is pleasant, though it's hot and humid. This road follows this way. After 3 hours estimated, I will reach Kozhikode, and I'm expecting my friend Moidin, who worked with me in Qatar, will be receiving me at his hometown. See you soon. Concentrated. Layer or boiler? This is layer or boiler? Layer or boiler? Don't know? Another beach side. Let's say Okay, and people coming for recreation. Yeah, the sun is shining. Water also. Tea mountain. Now I will show the other part. When you see the road, it's deserted. Very few people or vehicle. There are a number of boats. You can see. Oh my God! Good number of boats. And the vehicles are about to be ferried. Lovely. More of it. My cycle undergoing repairing. I'm changing tire and tube. The mechanic is looking at me. Yes. It's long, couple of months that gave me life to use this tire and tube. It will take some time and then I have to proceed further. Jaipur area, I'm waiting for ferry. Next movement would be taking a few minutes, I believe. The ferry charge is just 8 rupees and I'll be taking my cycle as well as myself through the ferry. This is Jaipur area and it's about 20 kilometers from here to Kozhikode. Calicut. How much? 19 kilometers. 19. Okay, not much. Your name is Smile? Hi, Smile. How are you? Fine, thank you. There are so many boats. Okay, I will be boarding on the boat soon. Smile, have a great day. Hey, crowded ferry. Though the ferry has reduced the distance about 10 kilometers to reach my destination, that is Calicut, and I am actually looking for a dormitory since we don't have provision here for Dharamshala or Gurudwara. This is town and I need to go further 5 to 6 kilometers towards the station where I may find a Dharamshala. Dormitory.
The Kozhikode jetty, also known as Biport Port, offers a scenic ferry service connecting Kozhikode to nearby islands and coastal towns. The ferry operates regularly with multiple daily departures. Passengers can enjoy stunning views of the Arabian Sea, Biport Beach, and the Kozhikode coastline. The ferry ride is approximately 30 to 45 minutes depending on the route. Tickets are reasonable priced, making it a popular mode of transportation and a delightful experience for tourists.